Hello and welcome back to another episode of Dumb Down Tech. As the title says, this one's about me flipping up to make sure I can get myself a new processor. I want a 9800X3D, just because. Do I need it? No, but I want it. Currently I'm running a Ryzen 7-9700X. It got a lot of slate when it first came out, but so far so good for me. But I want the improvement. But I don't want to spend £450, £500 on my own money. Just don't want to do it. But what I do want to do is get rid of some of the, not rubbish that I've got, but it's old. It's no good to me. It needs to be gone. Taking up space in my man cave. That's not really a man cave. One day you might all see it. It's literally a cupboard that the wife allowed me to have, and I managed to make shelves. It works. So there's enough parts in there to build a PC. It's not a very good one, but we'll show you that in a second. I have already built it. I wasn't going to do this video as a, let's build a PC with me. Everyone's done that. We've done that. We'll just show you what we've got. There's a couple more other bits that I had for projects previously. I was like, do I actually want to finish that project? No, I don't. So that's going to go. And there's a laptop. I don't use laptops. So occasionally when I do need to use something floaty, I'll use the wife's MacBook. I hate Apple, but I'll use it. So if I gotta get them bits, we'll see you back in a second, and we'll go through what we've got. See you in a minute. So here's the PC that I built. Not great. It's not bad. It's actually competent for 1080p. We've got a GTX 980 Ti. That was originally from my son's computer. I built him a computer lockdown, beginning of lockdown, that Christmas. And everything, as you all know, was hard to find then. So this used, at the time, I think it was like £200 from CEX. Not a great deal now, but at the time it was all right, and it done him really well. It done him solid for Forza Horizon and many other games, actually. I have no idea what he played, to be honest with you. We've got a Ryzen 5 1600. Yes, it's not new. Yes, it's not all singing, all dancing. Does the job. Still better than most of the Intels you're going to get. When you're looking at budget builds out there now, you're looking at i5 4th gens or i3 5th gen, 6th gen. Nothing's good pricing. So this is a relatively well-priced build, I thought. We'll give it a price in a minute. There is a 120mm AIO for no reason other than it was the only cooler I had available. I bought it to put into my bedroom build, my second build. It didn't fit. So I didn't want to send it back. It was £30. Didn't care. I knew it would come in handy at some point. I didn't expect it to be for this, but I knew it would come in handy. It is a Thermalright. It is standard. It starts with Thermalright in it, so it does pretty well, especially on this chip. It's not a warm chip, 65 watt. We've got a Gigabyte A520 motherboard. And in that is 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance DDR4 RAM running at 3200. 600 watt EVGA white power supply. This is cheap. Like I say, it's all parts that have been left over, bish bash bosh here, there and everywhere. And this case was the first case that I ever built into. Just after I built my son's computer, I wanted to start learning about it and seeing if I was interested, and this is what I came out with. Oh, and there's 3 non-RGB Thermalright fans in the front as well. I'm sticking this up on sale for about £220. I'm never going to get that, but you don't ask, you don't get. The lowest I'll probably go is about 150. It's probably reasonable. Like, I should be able to get more than that, but 150 is a starting point, isn't it? So we'll go from there. And a 240 gigabyte NVMe. And that's it. There's nothing really much more to say about this system. Just a quick bish bash bosh build. Took me about half hour. On to the next one. Next up, we've got this. It was bought as a project that I was going to do. I wanted my second PC to be an ITX build. So I bought this. It's a Silverstone RVZ02 or something case that has an ITX system on this side with an SFX power supply. But if you flip it over, the bottom part comes off and we've got a second section, a compartment for a graphics card. I thought, nice, it's lovely and slim, nice and thin. The actual components in it at the minute are an i5 4590S and 16 gigabytes of RAM. The RAM is the only part I have upgraded, and the graphics card in here currently is a GTX 750 Ti. I bought it for 80 quid about 2-3 years ago. Was just going to slap in a quick graphics card upgrade as a quick start off, but it's missing extra power cables. So it's a modular power supply with none of the extra cables, and I didn't realise that when I picked it up. And the seller never got back to me if he had them at all. So I sort of put it on the back burner at the time, and there it stayed. You've all seen my second build now with that carry handle case that I like and I still use. So it's just been sat gathering dust again. So I've quickly wiped it, put a fresh Windows on it, and I'm going to stick this up for 100 quid. I'm never going to get £100 for it, as we all know, but the case itself is worth 60-ish pounds online used. So I could sell the case alone, but then what do I do with all the parts that I don't need? I'm not going to be able to sell them. So I thought, stick it up for £100. If somebody offers me £60-70, I'll take it. It'll do the job and go towards what I need and just get it out of my hair. Onto the laptop. It's a laptop. It's old. i3 370M. It's my dad's old laptop. He didn't want it. He was like, do something with that, please. And it's usable. So, yeah, I thought, stick it up for sale for like 60. If I get 40 quid for it, I'll be happy. Get 30 quid for it, I'll be happy. Again, it's just been sat there for about a year or so. I take all these things and then just put it to a side and forget. And then work happens and life happens. So, laptop. So that's where we're starting. We're going to attempt to make some money out of them 3 bits. So what did I say? To go for the lowest prices that I've said, 150, 70, and 40. 260. That's halfway there to the processor. But at the same time, I may be able to then use that money to then start picking up bits to do some flips with. I haven't specifically gone out and bought anything for a flip for 6 months, 9 months. But today, after building that PC quickly and getting bored, the wife went to mum to visit, so I was home alone. I was bored. I've been playing Grand Theft Auto Enhanced recently. Didn't want to play that today. I thought I'd go for a walk. So I went to my local shopping centre and there is a CEX there. You can't not have a look. So I went in and found 2 sticks of RAM. It was only DDR4, but the Trident Z's 3200 RGB for £9 each. So never in a million years was I going to argue with that price. Even having a look on it on Amazon, £65. I know they're used, but there's a 5-year warranty, so I'm not worried about that. £65 compared to 18. My brother's shop wasn't that one, so I didn't get a discount. Not that it would have mattered for the £2-ish. So this may be the basis for another PC. I have still got a couple of other components. I've got a Ryzen 3 2200G that I'm going to be receiving soon because I'm upgrading my father-in-law's home server to a Ryzen 5 3400G, which is my old server processor. Then I've got an A320 motherboard as well, so just a few basics there. I've still got another PC case. I've got the case that I reviewed, my first ever review for a PC case, the Ions all-around mesh thing. That's still spare. Got a 550 watt power supply. As it's going to be a G processor, it won't need a graphics card, so I could just set it as a basic system for a person needing NVMe. Couple of other bits. I might be on the way to another £100. Then puts me 350. I'm not far off from where I need to be. There is one 7800X3D local to me. It's £440 in the CEX, the one that I went to today, in fact. But if I politely ask my brother to come visit with me, it puts it down to 370 something if he comes with me. So I'm not far away then, if it stays in stock, that is. So just have to hope that happens. We're getting there. In my mind, we're getting there. I haven't actually sold anything yet. All I'm going to do is keep you all updated through this adventure, mini adventure, and we'll do shorts on every sale. I think a little short for every sale, see where we're going, and then we will do a full wrap-up review afterwards once I've got the processor and my giddy eyes with all that extra cash in my life. Well, lack of, because I've paid cash to buy cash. Anyway, and then eventually I'll do something with my current 9700X. So please like and subscribe, come back for some more, and we'll see you again soon for the hopeful end of this saga. See you soon.